Welcome to the Monument Kitchen. We are going to be kicking off a series called World of Grilling. I'm going to be featuring a bunch of fantastic cultural recipes from around the world using the Monument Grill's propane grill. I'm Joe, and this series is going to feature the Monument Grill's 415BZ propane grill. This is an awesome propane grill. I've used one for a long time and it has never let me down. I'm using it all the time. It is just a fantastic propane grill. So for the first recipe in this series, I'm going to be doing an Asian style grilled pork belly. I really want to try this recipe because when most people think of pork belly, they think you got to smoke it low and slow. But if done right, you can grill it up hot and fast, and that is what we're going to be doing today. All right, so here's what you're going to need for this recipe. First off, you're going to need some pork belly, and you're not just going to want to get any pork belly. Well, you could buy any pork belly, but if you can find it pre-sliced, you're going to want it at about 1/4 to 1/2 inch, probably closer to 1/4 inch thick. You could buy a pork belly, slice it up yourself, but this is how you're going to want it to do this recipe. Then we are going to use 3/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar, a tablespoon of oyster sauce, a tablespoon of freshly chopped ginger, a tablespoon of freshly chopped garlic, a tablespoon of Chinese 5-spice, and a tablespoon of black pepper. Then we're going to use the juice of half a lemon. This is going to be our marinade for this pork belly. So let's go ahead and get this mixed up. All right, so basically we're just gonna get all of our ingredients mixed up. The soy sauce, the rice wine vinegar, sesame oil, fish sauce, oyster sauce, ginger, garlic, our 5-spice and black pepper, and then the juice of half a lemon. Then go ahead and give that a nice stir. And that is it for our marinade. Now let's get those pork belly slices. All right, so you can marinate this pork belly any way you like. If you're gonna throw this into a container, I would suggest doubling the marinade recipe. I prefer vacuum sealing it in the marinade. It seems to marinate better that way. You could also use a Ziploc bag. So we're gonna just throw our pork belly slices in here. Now if you use a Ziploc bag or a vacuum bag, just make sure these aren't covering each other so the marinade can cover both sides evenly. Then we can grab our marinade and go ahead and just dump it into this bag. And that is it for our marinade. You're gonna wanna let this marinate for 4 hours minimum, or overnight is best. All right, so I already went ahead and I pre-marinated a nice batch of pork belly. So this has marinated overnight, ready to go, looks great. So let's get this ready to grill it up on the Monument Grill's 415BZ propane grill. Now, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is cut the corner of this bag, or if you just have the marinade in a bowl, take all the pork out, then dump the marinade into a pot, and we're gonna be utilizing the side burner on this Monument Grills, which is an awesome feature to have. Dump all that marinade in a pot, throw it on the side burner, turn the heat on medium, and let it come up to a boil, and we're gonna be using this as a basting sauce. Let's get outside, fire up this grill, and we are going to grill up this delicious pork belly. All right, we are out at the Monument Grill's Mesa Series 415BZ propane grill. I've got this thing fired up, set my burners to about medium, and we're going to be utilizing this broil zone right here, which is a fantastic feature on this grill. So you got 4 burners here. Between these 2 burners, you have an extra burner for this broil zone. It is great for searing. I also have that set to about medium. And I got my marinade on the side burner over there. That's been boiling, so that is gonna be ready when we need to baste. So all we're gonna do here is grab these delicious pork bellies. I'm gonna throw them right over those burners where the broil zone is. All right, now we're gonna let these cook about 2 to 3 minutes per side. And you're gonna wanna close the lid while they cook. All right, so after a couple minutes, we're gonna go ahead and give these their first flip. See, they're getting some nice color. We're going to do a couple flips on these. Now we're going to pull that marinade off the side. We're going to give these a nice baste. All right, then another 2 to 3 minutes. All right, a couple more minutes. And what we're gonna do now is get it moved over here because we're having some flare-ups. You can see they are looking good, and then more of that basting. All right, then a couple more minutes. All right, a couple more minutes. These are ready to flip again. Like I said, we're gonna do a few flips. Let's get these back over to the broil side. All right, so I got them all onto the broil zone, got them marinated. We're only gonna do another minute because you can see we got some flare-ups here, so they're gonna cook quick. All right, so that was just about one more minute. That's what we're looking for right there. Nice crispy exterior. So this will be the last flip. I'm going to go ahead and shut this grill off. And all I'm going to do now, these have got plenty of sear on them. We'll throw them up here on this warming rack. So I like to let them just chill in that warming rack for a little bit. I'm going to let them sit up there for just another minute. I'm going to pull them off. We'll bring them inside and see how they came out. All right, guys, so that is the grilled pork belly recipe. You can see how simple and easy it was and a super fast cook. You do have to marinate it 4 hours minimum. Overnight is best, but after that, it goes super quick. We weren't on the grill for that long out there, and the Monument Grills, as usual, did a fantastic job of getting a beautiful sear and crust on this. That broil zone is a great feature on the grill. Let me go ahead and get a slice of one of these, and I will give it a try. It smells amazing, so I'm sure it's going to taste delicious as well. See that delicious little piece of pork belly right there. That is delicious. The flavors on here are perfect for pork belly. Like I said earlier, a lot of people think you need to do a low and slow pork belly. If you cut it thin and you do a good marinade, you can grill it hot and fast. It is nice and tender. That fat is rendered beautifully. And the charred fat adds such a fantastic flavor. But when you are grilling something with this much fat, you do have to be careful for the flare-ups. As you saw out there, there's a lot of fat that renders down and can cause some flare-ups. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe right over here. And I'm gonna leave a couple of videos over here. I'm gonna do the review video of the Monument Grill's propane grill. Then I'll give you a little pork belly recipe as well if you're looking for a low and slow recipe. But most importantly, get out there and smoke or grill something good.